Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about YouTube's new feature or option named as paid membership. They have just added. For that, open your YouTube channel, click on the channel icon. Here you see the paid membership options. Click on it. It shows empty, nothing to show here. Features will be available soon here. Now let's see what are the features. Get YouTube paid membership. YouTube Premium is a paid membership to help you evaluate your experience on YouTube and other YouTube apps available currently in multiple countries. With YouTube Premium, you can watch millions of videos on YouTube without ads, download videos and playlists on your mobile device to watch offline, continue playing video on your mobile device while using other apps or screen is off, access all YouTube original series and movies, get a free subscription to YouTube Music Premium, start your paid membership on Android, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet, sign into Google account, like to start your membership on, select your profile photo, get YouTube Premium, start your free trial if eligible. Same with the YouTube Music Premium. For computer users, YouTube Premium. Visit this link on your computer, sign into Google account to start your membership on, start your free trial if you are eligible, select the payment method or add a new payment method, click buy to complete the transaction. For YouTube Premium, visit this link and start your free trial. For iPhone or iPad, open the YouTube app on phone or tablet, sign into your Google account to start membership, select profile photo, YouTube Premium and start free trial if eligible. List of countries where this option is available. This is the list of the countries where these options are available or services are available. So this is all YouTube have disclosed about this option. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.